the Dodge Warlock is back. The 2025 Dodge Warlock is here to redefine ruggedness and capability, blending classic styling with modern performance. If you're looking for a truck that delivers power, durability, and unique styling, this might be the one for you. Let's dive into the details and see what makes the 2025 Warlock stand out. Exterior design. The 2025 Dodge Warlock brings a bold and aggressive stance, staying true to its heritage. The blacked-out grille, retro-style fender flares, and high ground clearance give a commanding presence on the road. Dodge has equipped the Warlock with LED headlights, fog lamps, and distinctive badging to maintain its tough persona. This truck is built for adventure, with rugged all-terrain tires and an optional lift kit for those who love off-roading. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Dodge Warlock offers two engine choices. The standard 3.6-liter V6 Pentastar engine delivers around 305 horsepower and 269 lb-ft of torque. For those seeking more power, there's an available 5.7-liter HEMI V8 producing an impressive 395 horsepower and 410 lb-ft of torque. Both engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth shifts and excellent towing capabilities. This truck is designed to handle rough terrain effortlessly, thanks to its 4x4 system, upgraded suspension, and skid plates. Whether you're hauling heavy loads or heading off the beaten path, the Warlock ensures a solid and reliable drive. Interior and technology. Inside, the 2025 Warlock offers a spacious and comfortable cabin with modern technology. The 12-inch Uconnect infotainment system dominates the dashboard, providing Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and navigation. The truck also comes with a premium sound system, wireless charging, and multiple USB ports for convenience. Dodge has ensured maximum comfort with optional leather-trimmed seats, heated and ventilated front seats, and a heated steering wheel. The Warlock also includes advanced driver assist features such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system for easier maneuvering. Towing and payload. When it comes to capability, the 2025 Dodge Warlock does not disappoint. The truck boasts a maximum towing capacity of 12,750 pounds with a V8 engine, making it ideal for hauling trailers, boats, or heavy equipment. The payload capacity is equally impressive, allowing users to carry all their gear with ease. Pricing. Now, let's talk about the price. The 2025 Dodge Warlock starts at $45,000 for the base V6 model. Opting for powerful V8 and additional features can push the price up to $55,000 or more. With its combination performance, rugged design, and modern technology, the Warlock offers great value for truck enthusiasts. The 2025 Dodge Warlock is a truck built for those who want toughness with modern luxury. Whether you're using it for work, adventure, or daily driving, it delivers in every aspect. What do you think about the new Warlock? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Updater for more reviews and updates on the latest vehicles. See you in the next video.